Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Baby Doge Coin. In order to do this, you will have to open your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type babydogeswap.com. This will land you on the official website of Baby Doge Swap. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your wallet with it. For that, you will have to click on the connect wallet button, and after that, you can choose any of the wallets that are given over here. So after selecting the wallet, you are going to see this type of pop-up in front of you where you will have to just press the connect button, and this way you will be able to easily connect your wallet with Baby Doge Swap. Now over here in the top, you are going to see this on button. So if you hover over to on, you are going to see two options. First is farms and the second one is pool. So if you click on farms, you will be landed over here where you are going to see a bunch of different pairs. It simply means that if you stake Baby Doge coin over here, then in return you are going to get the other coin, such as if you stake BNB, then you are going to get Baby Doge coin. If you stake WTN, then you are going to get BNB. So you just have to select any of the pairs that you want, and in order to select it, you just have to click on the details over here, and then you will have to click on the deposit button. After that, you will have to enter the balance. So you will have to enter the amount that you want to deposit, and then you need to click on the approve button. After that, the MetaMask pop-up will open in front of you. You need to make sure that you have enough BNB in your MetaMask account, and then you just have to click on the approve button in order to approve that transaction. Afterwards, this harvest section will be activated and you are going to earn the tokens that you have selected, which in our case we are going to earn the WTN token. Now the second option was of pools, so you need to hover over to on again in the top, and after that you need to click on the option of pools. Again on this page you are going to see a bunch of different pools, such as you can stake Baby Doge coin and in return you are going to earn the LGC coin. You can even earn the sweep coin, LGC coin, etc. So again you just have to choose any of the pairs as you want. So let's say I want to choose this pair over here. Then you again have to click on the deposit button in the pool, and then you will have to enter the amount of Baby Doge coin that you want to stake over here, and then you need to click on the approve button. After that, your Baby Doge coin will be staked over here, and this way the harvest section will be activated and you are going to earn the LGC token after staking Baby Doge coin. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.